Video recording. The Redmi Note 5A's video recording maxes out at 1080p at 30fps mode. Those are captured at a bitrate of 31 Mbps and have rock-solid 30fps. The audio is stereo captured at 96 kbps bitrate. The video quality is rather good, the resolve detail is enough, the dynamic range is about the average, the colors and contrast are very good. The noise is kept quite low, too. The sound is pretty bad. First, if the subjects aren't close to you, the sound won't be captured at all. Then, there are traces of compression, and you'll notice that it gets even worse with loud sound sources, loud music, crowds, cars honking, etc. You can also download the 1080p at 30fps, 9s, 24 MB, video sample taken straight off the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A. Finally, you can use our video compare tool to see how the Redmi Note 5A stacks against the Redmi 5 and Redmi Note 4 when it comes to video capturing.